hard right. That's enough now. Get it straight and settle down. Release, relax your pull. That's better. Little bit of a thermal there. Nice and relaxed. Let it go up. Nice. Good. Nice and relaxed. Let it come round gently. And almost take your hands off. Almost take your hands off. Let it fly. That's beautiful. You might try putting your hands onto the base bar. Let's get it level. Level it up. Level it up. Looking at the horizon. Okay, look at the horizon. Take it back to the back edge, but don't go over the hedge. Turn now, and you'll find you'll join over the top of the hedge. Hands back up on the uprights. Not very comfortable like that because you're quite high off the bar. And round you come, looking well forward now, down at the horizon, pulling on speed and getting it level. Well done, sir.